Hey crafters, today I'm going to show you how I'm making these little angels. I've got this one and the one like is in the thumbnail. And of course there's lots of other ways you can make them, like other kinds of decorations. This one I used a flower that I folded in half and bent it around for added wings. And it's a little flower that I scrunched up to make for her headdress. But anyway, let's get started. Now for this project, we're going to use a little wooden bead. And I think these are something you should have in your craft supplies. I use them for a lot of things. Now I'm not very good at making faces, but that's my little face for mine. Then I have some tulle that I'm just going to cut in a little chunk of it, fold it in half, and then I'm just going to scrunch it from one end to the other, make it nice and full. This is going to be my little angel skirt. And this, I'm thinking maybe for a tree topper for one of my little trees. I haven't decided exactly where I'm going to use it yet, but it will be used in a future project. Now I'm just going to twist up the ends. And if you wanted, you could put some glue on it. But I think it's going to fit nice and snug in here, so I don't think the glue will be necessary. And I've got a little skewer there that I'm going to poke it in with to make sure it's in there good and tight. Now I'm going to take another piece of tulle and make her some little wings. This is a super easy project and very inexpensive. So I'm just going to gather it up as well and put a little bit of hot glue on it and stick it to the back behind her head. Now I need to put something on her head to cover up that hole on the top. And I have a couple different ideas. This is just a fluffy pipe cleaner. It's another pipe cleaner I thought about using, make a little halo. And I'm not in love with either one of those ideas. So I'm just going to go over here and work on her dress for right now. And this little bow is just made out of pink and white twine. It comes like that. I believe it was from the Dollar Tree. And then I went ahead and made a matching bow for her hair, for her head. She doesn't have any hair, so I guess she's a baby. So that's the video for today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.